What's up, guys, and good morning from the Philippines. It is Monday morning. Sun is shining, clouds in the air, but you know what? Clouds in the sky. It's a beautiful day. I'm up here on Clark today. I haven't been up here for a while, so I wanted to kind of run up here, check it out, see what's going on, visit my favorite old spots. But one of the things that is opening up here, I'm up here right now, and they're projected to open April 1st. That's their projected date. That's what I was told. I was told they're going to do a soft opening. But anyways, let me show you where I'm at, guys. Here I am. We are at the water park up here on Clark. I watched them build this years ago. I watched them open it. We've never been here. I've never come here, never checked it out. But it was shut down during the pandemic. Right now, they got maintenance people running in and out. They got people setting things up. So just to let you know, and I will confirm it when it does open. I did speak to one of the gentlemen here that's in charge of, I guess, promotions, and you know, they're the ones that gives you authority to say, come in and do a vlog. So hopefully we'll hear back from them, and I can get in here and just show you this park, man. It is amazing. It is so cool and so neat. So anyways, like I said, we're just gonna stroll around, ride around up here on Clark today, and show you what's changed, what's new, and revisit some of my favorite places. All right, guys, I wanted to show you this right here. This is the newest building that was put up. I can't get out and walk around and film because security guards are they're tight up here on Clark. Swiss Hotel Clark. I watched that from a big, huge hole in the ground being built to there it is right now. Like I said, there's security guards, and I've already tried it, and they oh, you can't this and you can't that. They're just doing their job. But yeah, I wanted to show you that while I'm sitting here. Swiss Hotel. If you want to know more about it, go online, research it, check it out. All right, guys, I'm at one of my favorite places up here on Clark that I gotta stop by and check out every time I'm up here. Where's that at? The old hospital, the old Air Force hospital. I don't know. I always got to check it out. Something draws me to it all the time. Just eerie. Whoa. Yo, did you see that, guys? I don't know if you've seen that or not. My camera picked it up, but there was a lizard sitting right there, and there's that big hole, dark hole, like right there. He just shot down into that hole. That was pretty cool. One thing though, you do have to watch out if you do come up here. Snakes, there are cobras up here. You guys hear that chainsaw? No, it's not the Texas Chainsaw Massacre going on. There's guys on the other end there that are cutting up wood. Seems like they bring a lot of wood up here and stack it up through here. And if there's wood, there's critters hiding. And if there's critters hiding, there's snakes looking for those critters. You can hear it just echoing. Hear that? Texas Chainsaw Massacre going on. Another thing I like is just all the graffiti. I mean, every floor you go to here, it's just graffiti. Some of it's pretty cool when you kind of look around. It just kind of, I don't want to go that way. Then we'll hear the chainsaws buzzing away. We'll go this way. Now it's quiet. It's just so, I don't know. Like I said, something just draws me here. Big holes there. Big holes right there. It just amazes me how this building, when the Air Force left, I mean, it's completely gutted and stripped. Only thing left standing is the concrete walls, the concrete pillars. This guys was the main entrance. A lot of you guys have seen my videos here before. But it's sad what happened. Let me go down here. I want to talk to these people down here. I talked to them in the past. I want to go down there and talk to them again. Hang on. I just asked the gentleman. You live here, right? This is your little place you do your little business out of and everything. And then right there is the hospital. And I just asked this gentleman here, is the hospital haunted? And your answer is?
Yes, hospital haunted. I mean, number one hospital, American.
Yeah. What do you hear? Do you hear anything at night or?
Many sir, there and many sir, many.
Do you hear voices?
Yeah, voices and then like me like that. See, bulong bulong. It's the Tagalog bulong bulong.
Bulong bulong.
Yeah.
Yeah. What else? You ever see anything? Any?
No sir. Many night. Every night, sir.
Aswags?
Yeah.
Aswag? Oh, really?
Yes, sir.
You speak English?
Little, sir.
Little. What? Have you heard anything? Have you ever seen anything or heard anything coming from the hospital?
Many, ano sir? Many aswang.
Many aswang. And what is aswang? Explain aswang.
It's baby boy.
Baby boy.
Sir,
Oh, so you hear like baby boys crying and
crying.
Oh, okay.
It's crying many like the help.
What?
Like the help.
You hear like
The GI, like that.
you hear like help and crying and
Every crying like that.
crying. Yeah. A lot or sometimes.
Yeah.
Not every night.
every night,
Every
sir,
night,
after
every-
1 p.m.
Every night after 1 p.m. you hear that.
Yes, sir. You like those babies,
The voice like that.
boys, and then
The
girls.
sir, and dad like that.
Yeah.
This call daddy, dad.
Like daddy, help, and yeah. You ever go see if anybody was up there? You go up there? You ever walk up there at night?
Yes, sir.
You do? It don't scare you? You're not scared?
Not scared,
It
sir.
doesn't bother you?
How can we go there?
Huh?
How come we go there?
How can I go there?
Yeah.
Well, I could go there. At night?
Yeah.
You take me through at night? Yeah?
I'm going there. Maybe somebody at the GI. Hey, can you help me? I go there. Hospital. Okay, sir. Up to you.
Huh?
Like that in the night.
Oh, okay. Maybe I'll take you up on that. You guys check these out. If I'm not mistaken, they used to store ammunition in these bunkers here. Just driving back in here and looking. Let me go see. Nah, let me keep going. Nah, my curiosity got the better of me. Let me go see. My curiosity got the better of me. I hope it's a good thing. But all down through here, all these backing through here, you can see them. There's Mount Orion out there. I got these ammunition. Like I said, my understanding, they're ammunition bunkers. They used to be. Echo, echo, echo. Curiosity. Check it out. Out for the cobras. A little bit of graffiti in here. Don't know what they're used for now, if they're even used at all. But pretty cool, huh? So here's the road I'm on. You can see it was a 2-lane road at one time, and it now has been narrowed down to like just a 1-lane road. That's the thing, there's so many roads around here and you don't know where they go, but at one point they did lead, watch out pigeons, they did lead to somewhere. Maybe some of you guys know that have been here, but the road, come on pigeons, I don't want to run over a pigeon. But check it out, I just think this is neat. Exploring, that's all I'm doing, exploring. All right guys, I'm up here right now and I want to show you this. I had stopped here years ago, probably 5 years ago or so. When we first got here, I discovered this place and I just think it's neat too. It's another one of those hidden treasures, hidden gems. Here we are. We're at the Kamikaze West Airfield. You guys seen the road coming in, and like I just said too, you know, always tip your security guys. Makes it easier to get in. I'm not saying you can't get in, but you know, it makes it easier. But this is the, it's one of those that you gotta watch through here too. The snakes. It's one of those a lot of people don't know about. They don't come here, they don't know about it. And I tried to find this, like I said, years ago, did my research and finally did find it. But it's a Kamikaze War Museum, or a Kamikaze plaque. If you're not aware of it, the Kamikaze pilot out of World War II started up here on Clark. Now they have the other one down, I think it's MacArthur Highway, outside Malabanya City, out that way. But this one here is, it's a hidden gem to me. Here it is. Man, is it getting warm? Check it out. Somebody put some Mountain Dew, some water, a pack of cigarettes, a candle. First Kamikaze airfield of World War II. I'm not going to go into reading that. If this picks it up, you can freeze it and read it yourself. Just kind of goes into the history of the Kamikaze. But this is just neat. You know, I was told by a gentleman here who knows a lot about the history that there is obviously written in Japanese, that studied and knows the history of the area in World War II and everything. And like he was telling me, he said, you know, the Japanese, he gets a lot of Japanese people that come in to his museum in Banban, and he said the Japanese are not taught all about the history of World War II because it was a black eye for the Japanese people. But he told me a lot of Japanese come and pay their respects, learn a little bit about the history of World War II with the Japanese invasion of the Philippines. So yeah, now check this out. Here's a tunnel. Now if you're feeling really venturous, grab yourself a flashlight and go in this tunnel. A little bit of history up there. As an air raid it was constructed quickly as an air raid bunker. The 201st Air Group, 1st Air Fleet, Imperial Japanese Navy, the very first Kamikaze unit of World War II. It was constructed in the late October of 1944 and provided protection for Commander Tamai and some of his Kamikaze pilots during deadly U.S. air raids. But check it out. They do have the grass cut here, so that makes it nice. But there it is, guys. I talked to a couple kids the last time I was back in here, and I did ask them, I'm like, you guys ever go in there? They're like, yeah, we've been back in there. But nah, no thank you, I'm not going back in there. Because you never know what's back in there. You know, how deep does it go? How far back does it go? Is it collapsed? Don't know. Not going to find out. Sorry. I'm not that venturous. Maybe if I had a guide that would take me back in there, you know, with a flashlight that's been back in there, maybe I would consider it. But me on my own and only one guard out there who's watching me, no, I'm not going to venture back in there. So, all right, guys, you know what? Once again, I always, like I said, I love coming on Clark. I love exploring around Clark. I love sharing it with you guys. Like I said, there is more. You know, if you fly into Clark and you're visiting the Philippines, going to travel around the Philippines, and you know, you're like, let me do a day or two in the Clark, Angeles City area. These are just some of the areas that you would want to check out. A lot of places on Clark do provide shuttles, you know, hotels and stuff like that. They will provide shuttles. They will hook you up with Blue Taxi. They will get you a ride. You can always rent a scooter if you can ride. But it just gives an idea of what to do kind of on Clark. Besides, you know, if you're not into the bar scenes and all that, and you're kind of like stuck here for a day or two. So, all right, guys, looking around for snakes. Thanks for stopping in. Thanks for checking out my channel. Hopefully we'll be able to get up to the water park. I think that'd be cool to get up there, show you guys the water park and everything. So fingers crossed somebody gets back to me, because a lot of times they won't get back to you. I don't know why they don't like free promotion in the Philippines. So anyways, thanks for stopping. Thanks for checking out the channel. I probably said that already. If you haven't subscribed, take the time to subscribe. Give me some thumbs up. Leave some comments down below. And we'll talk to you later.